Hi everyone, Dave here with the Aukey Mini Dash Cam. I'm doing a review on this Aukey Mini Dash Cam today, and I'll show you guys some footage from driving daylight and some nighttime footage. I've got it upside down here. Anyway, here's a closer look. It's only 1.5 inches square, so it is truly a mini. There's the SD card slot. This camera comes in at just under $40, or about $40, but it doesn't come with an SD card. The micro SD card is separate. I got a 128 gigabyte card in there. I think it's a Samsung card, but anyway, it was what Amazon recommended right underneath the camera, and I'll put a link to both of them below. And if you guys do shop with the links, I do have an affiliate account, so either I get a little small commission if you buy this item or if you buy other items, but it doesn't cost you any more. And I will give you my honest review on this camera. But so far, I have to say I'm very impressed at this price point to have a dash cam this nice. And I want to tell you that the night footage, actually I had left a little plastic protective cover on the lens when I did the night footage, so it would have been even a little bit better. But all in all, a great camera, great dash cam. And it does have the ability to monitor your car when it's off and parked, but you have to get a special wiring kit to wire it in directly. Otherwise, it just comes with a plug-in, to plug into your cigarette lighter. Yeah, we'll take a look at the footage, the day and night footage, and I'll give you my final opinion on it. But so far, I gotta say, it's a really nice little camera. Okay, so this is footage from the dash cam, and I just turned it around. That's another nice feature about this little dash cam, is that you can rotate it 360 degrees. So if we're at got a traffic stop or something, got a ticket, and you wanted to record the incident, or you were in an accident and an accident was on your side or something, you can turn the camera and focus it over there, and it's got a nice wide angle. So I can't see what I'm filming for you guys, but I just wanted to give you a look at what it looks like if you were to turn it around and film inside your car. Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to let you know about the little Aukey Mini Dash Cam is that if you don't have it hardwired in, then it won't keep the correct date or time. So you need to use, for having your vehicle monitored when you're not in it, and the parking, and for the date and time, you need to have it hardwired in. Otherwise, you may as well just ignore, in the settings, you can just not have it monitor the date and time, not stamp it into your videos, and you can have it not monitor the car while it's parked. My dog is trying to make me pet her while I'm on the video. Anyway, yeah, it won't keep the date and time unless you hardwire it. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But it is easily hardwired. Like I said, they do sell a kit for it. It is also known as the Aukey DR-A5, I believe it is, or the Aukey Mini. And I just looked at it on Amazon again. and maybe I got it on sale or something, because it was right under $40, and now it's, I think, $44. So anyway, it's a little bit more than I said in the beginning of the video. So you can either pop the card out of your camera and put it into a card reader, or you can just use a mini USB to a USB to your computer, and you can just leave the card right in the Aukey and read it that way, with the cable. So there's two ways to get your files off of it. And it does have, like this feature that if your vehicle is involved in a collision or an impact, that it will lock the files from being overwritten, because otherwise you have a choice of how many minutes you want it to be before it starts another clip. And I set it to 5 minutes, so every 5 minutes it will start a new clip, and then when it fills the card, which is like, I think, 20 hours or something of driving, and then it will start recording over. So you're not likely to lose your footage anyway, but in an impact it will do that for you. It will lock the card from being erased. So thanks everyone for watching my review on the Aukey Mini Dash Cam. And like I said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Overall, I think this is a wonderful little dash cam for $40. A great starter dash cam, or great for anybody really. I mean, even if you already had dash cams. This is my first actually, but I'm impressed with it, and I think you guys judge the footage for yourself. Like I said, the night footage had the plastic protector on it, but it still came out pretty good. And I have the brightness bumped up just a tiny bit, and maybe even I could bump it up a little more. But overall, very nice. And even the little screen, which I don't think I showed you guys what the screen looked like when I was operating it, but it gives you a pretty nice clear picture of what's going on, although it's small. Like I say, guys, for $40 or under $40, I think it's a very good dash cam. Also, this one does not have a battery in it, which they say is a little bit better for its longevity. Yeah, because you don't have to worry about that battery life. The batteries aren't replaceable in most of them that have batteries. So this gets its power from your car battery, and that's the only way it gets powered. Some of them have internal batteries that charge up when your car is running, and then they can monitor your car when it's off. This one, like I said, if you want to monitor the car when it's off, you're going to have to hardwire it. But overall, I think it was a good deal for 40 bucks. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. And I'll have the links below for the camera, and I'll put a link below in for the card. And if you, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much. Hope you all doing well. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.